Okay, not too much wind today. Going to do a quick height test, like I said, and maybe do some active tracking at the same time, just to see how this JJRC responds to the pre-flight plan feature. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go straight up, hit the record. We're just going to go straight up and see how high we can go, and anything could happen. Sorry about the jiggly video, but okay, so we're going to go forward here, and a little bit of wind is pulling it back. As I've previously mentioned, this unit doesn't like the wind, so okay, I'm going to go forward a fair way here because the wind's blowing towards me, and I imagine it's just going to go up to the sky and disappear. Okay, so here we go. Let's start the climb. Apparently it's got about 100 meter range, so we are going up. Okay, so it's more or less stopped there. I can still control it. It's gone up even higher. No, higher still. Still controlling it. Still controlling it by hand, and no, it seems to be controlling itself a bit now, so I'm going to kill it and watch it come crashing down. Like I said, you hit that kill button and it will come crashing down. But again, the super duper JJRC quality, this thing remains undamaged. So we can just go and take off again and have some more fun. I do rave on about the quality of this drone being pretty good, and a bit of wind and she's going off on her own now. Yeah, the quality of this drone is fantastic. There's another drone out here at the moment, H47, which I've reviewed in another video of mine, and reviewed it as rubbish, so I might just go see how that's going, and then we'll do an active track of the Healthy Plus. We'll just check the video, make sure the video is still working, and land.